Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Soundboard to Discord server. All right, let's begin. First, open Discord and select your server from the left-hand side. Click on the server name in the top left corner and choose Server Settings. From the left navigation menu, click on Soundboard, then select Upload Sound. Click Browse and choose the sound effect you want to upload from your computer. Next, trim the sound if needed to make it shorter or longer. Enter a clear sound name and choose a related emoji so it is easy to recognize. Adjust the sound volume to a comfortable level. If the upload button is grayed out, the sound is too long. Trim it until the indicator turns green, then click Upload to add the sound to your server. Now, return to your server and join a voice channel. Once connected, click Open Soundboard. You will see your uploaded sound listed there. Click the sound to play it in the voice channel. You can repeat these steps to upload multiple custom sounds and organize them for easy access during calls or gaming sessions. So that's basically how you can add Soundboard to Discord server. That's it for this video. Thanks.